Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is Array.sort method. Array.sort method is very useful method. Maximum time we use in our real life project, and if I say this is a little bit of complex method, so it won't be wrong. So here you have to understand very carefully. So now I'll go to the HTML file and I will show you the syntax of sort method and where we can use this Array.sort method. So I'll go to the HTML file. Here I will show you two examples. First I will sort the string value and then the number values. So sort means here you can see this array value will convert into sequence wise. Like here if you see I have added month name, so March, Jan, Feb and December. So here first if I show you the alphabet wise, so first it comes D, then F, right? Like this way it comes, but in this array it is not sequence wise. So if I want to add sequence wise, like first D, it will start from December, start from D, right? So December will come first, then February, because after D it comes the first letter F, then it will come February. So like this way if I want to add, so that time I can use sort method, like, right? So where we can use this method, suppose you are making a site for school website or your any kind of office website. Okay, so that time there will be a multiple employees, so multiple employees name there will be. So some names will start from A, some names will start from C. Okay, suppose any name start from C, he joined before the name start from A. So when you will save that name, so C name will save before first, and then whose name start from A, it will save after C, because C name whose name start from C, he joined before, then whose name start from A, right? So like this way it will save in our database. But when I will check, so if I want to check sequence wise, so then A whose name start from A, it should be come first. So that time we can use Array.sort method. Okay, so here it is simple, just you have to write the array name. So I have written months, because for me month is now array, and then the method name is sort, and you have to write the parenthesis. And now I have console this one, so it will very simple. And now here what will be the output, you can guess, because I already told the output will be first December, then February, and after that those two value it will sort, and it will give the output. Now the number is also same. Here 134, I have some number values which is not sequence wise, so you can guess what will be the output, and you can write in the comment section. If your output is first 1, then 4, then 21, then 30 and then 60, so you are correct. So now here the method is same for the number also. Here you can see for me array 1, so I have written, and then sort, which is method name, and after that I have console. So now let's see the output, we are getting expected output or not. So here you can see first December, February, then Jan, then March, right? So I'm getting the expected output, and for the number here you can see 1, 2, 1, 30, 4, 60. So for the number we are not getting the expected output, right? Because why we are not getting the expected output, I will explain. So now I will come to the code. So here you can see first 1, then it should come 4, right? Then after that 21, then 30, then 60. But the output is, you can see here 1, then 21, because see here 21 is more than 1, right? But when it will check using the sort method, so that time 1, and it will check only the first digit, right? First digit means it is 2, it won't consider it is 21, it will check only first digit. If I show in the code, so 1, and after that it is not checking 21, it will check only 2. So that's why it is 21, it is coming after 1, then 4, then 30, then 60, right? So here is the issue. So for this purpose we can't use like this way. So here is the another syntax, so that I will show you. So this way you can sort this array value, right? So what is the syntax? So here see, here you have to pass another parenthesis, just simply here, and here you have to pass two parameter A and B. By the way, the parameter name, it can be anything. Okay, and now here I will write arrow and like this. So now A means it will check the first value, and B means it will check the second value. So when it will be the first time, so that time A means 1 and B means 30. Okay, so here it will check 1 and 30 which is more. So for that purpose I will write here return A minus B, because that time I wrote only sort, but now I am just subtract from first and second value. So if A minus B, okay, means 1 minus 30, if it is if it returns the positive value, so that time it will interchange, otherwise not. Okay, so see the output first, then I will explain more clearly. See 1, 4, 21, 30, 60. Now the output is correct, right? So now how it is working? So A minus B. Now understand here. 1 minus 30, because I said A means first value, B means third value. It will denote like this. And if you are getting confused how it is denoting first and second value, so this is the syntax. Okay, there is some predefined method, so that we are using. So there is some code already written when someone created JavaScript language, so already written, so we no need to think about it, just learn how it works. So 1 minus 30, so 1 minus 30, so it is it will give negative result, right? So that time it won't interchange. Okay, so again here it will be like this. Now 30 minus 4, right? So now again when it will loop, and it A means now it will be 30 and then B means it will be 4. So 30 minus 4, okay, like this, 30 minus 4. So when it will be 30 minus 4, so that time it will give the positive value, because 30 minus 4 is 26, which is positive value. So that time it will interchange. So 4 will come here. So here I will show you another one, like how the output will come. So first one which is not which will not interchange with 1 and 30. So first it will 1. Then when 30 minus 4, it will be a positive value. So that time 4 will come first. Negative value means it won't be a interchange, but when it will be a positive value, so that time it will interchange. Okay, so now 30 will come here. So now again 30 and then 21. So it will check 30 and 21, means 30 minus 21, like this way again. Okay, because the first value will be 30, then 21 will be the second value. So 30 and 21 means it again it is positive value. So here it will come again, it will interchange with 30 and 21. So 21 will come first and then 30. So like this way it works in background, but we get the output properly. So this way it works. Okay, so same thing if here here is the simple array, right? So we used the sort method, and for number purpose we use this syntax. Again the another thing is, it can be a array object, right? It is a string, but it can be array object, like this here, like this. And it can be right, how to create array object, because I already have shown in my previous video, like this way. Okay, so name like this way. Okay, this will be Jan, like this. So now I have created one array object, and in this object I have added one property, name, and the values, but it can be multiple properties. Suppose here age, first time age is 20, I mean first object age is 20, and the second object age will be 22. And here in the array object you can sort based on name or age, means any value you can sort based on any value. Suppose I have added here two property and two values, but here it can be multiple, I mean some other values also, and you can sort based on that values. So first of all I will sort based on age, and I will show you. So simple thing, it will be the same syntax which one I have used, because here also I'm using I'm going to sort based on numbers, right? And here also numbers. So just simply this method name, and after this parenthesis I will add another parenthesis, then equals to arrow and curly braces, and this parenthesis it will take two parameter a and b, and now here I will write return a minus b, same thing whatever I have added here. Okay, same syntax I have added, but here a means I already said when I was explaining this one, so I already said a means first value, b means it will consider second value. So in this case also a means first value means first object, b means second object, but I want to sort based on age, right? So if I write only a, so if I hover it on it, you can see it is showing name and age, means both values, first object both values, but from here I will extract age only. So I will write a dot age and after that b dot age. Okay, so now I will check. So here 20 and 22, you are thinking it is already ascending order, so I will change here 22 and this one 20, and I will check once. See 20 and 20, right? But here first is 22, then is 20, so it is working fine, right? Now if I want to sort, and the another thing first I will explain, here it's sorting, it is sorting based on ascending order, means which value is less, like here 20, so it will come first and after that 22. But if you want to sort descending order, means first it will come 22 then 20, so for that purpose just simply you have to write here b dot age minus a dot age, like this way. Okay, just shuffle, you have to shuffle this one. So now here the another thing, I will keep it like this way, and I want to sort based on name. So you are thinking just I have to change name here instead of age, so I and you are somehow right, so I will change here. Okay, now if I come, see it is not sorted, because first when I am sorting based on name, so first Jan should come first then March, but it is not sorting, right? So why it is not sorted? So here I have written minus, but you know, right, we can't add or minus or multiply any string value, right? So that's why it is not working properly. So for that purpose I have to write like this. Okay, this less than and greater than sign. So instead of minus I will use for string purpose less than and greater than sign. So now I will check. So here I have written less than. Now if I write here greater than sign, okay, it is not working because I have to write one if condition. So same thing I will write, but I will write here inside an if condition. So from here I will remove this, and here I will write if, I will change it to less than. If a dot name is less than b, then I will return. So I will open the browser. So here if I expand this one, so here you can see like this, it is actually sorted, but it is sorted descending order. So here two ways you can change it to ascending order. So here if it is less than, then you can write here return -1. So save, and see here you have to understand very carefully, maybe it will be a complex for you if you are the beginner. So here you can see now it is sorted. Okay, and another way you can pass here return 1, but here you can change, if it is a is greater than b, that time 1. Okay, so both you can change, and you can sort ascending and descending order. Now you can see the same. Okay, not. So I hope it is clear, and if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.